I've been blowing through the money like it growing trees. I've been fucking on a French bitch, c'est la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This bitch lie about getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she's still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon. Crows shoot from anywhere, like you Ray Allen. Crody, turn me up. Crody, turn me up. Crody, turn me up. Got a fur on a Tampa, got me burning up. Shorty say she graduated, she ain't learned enough. Play the album track 1, K, I heard enough. Girl to drive it downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new stick, you wanna dirty up. Touchdown in NY, tear the Mercer up. Hey, Bottega shades with the great sense. Introduce me to a nigga, yeah, it makes sense. Gotta put her on the team, got a great bench. Linking with the ops, bitch, I did that shit for J Prince. Bitch, I did it for the Maltese. Feel like 17, 2 purse for all guys. And I never been the one to go apologize. Me, I'd rather hit him up one more time. Hey. Known a girl for 6 months, dinner up at my place. But I got these diamonds on my neck, so it's a blind date. All my niggas on the roads, raising up the crime rate. Your name not ringing out here, it's on vibrate. And she took a skull, now shorty gotta hydrate. And he did some dirt, now my Crody gotta migrate. Probably won't see him for some years. When I do though, turn me up. Crody, turn me up. Crody, turn me up. Hey, Crody, turn me. Hey, yeah, what? Crody, turn me. What?
Yo, I missed you guys.
Drop top bins like it's 03. Had the shooters aimed down from the nosebleeds. Gotta get this passport, keep my nose clean. Bitch try to burn me up. Keep a man tuck. Yeah. I never slip. SF90 rims red like a poker chip. Rich as hell, still hood in the Strokersville. Pink slip in the glove for the ownership. Limping with the 30 on like a bro hip. Red flag giving blood on some donor shit. All the ops get a bullet on some Oprah shit. Went from Angel Town Estates to a bigger state. Probably would've had a zombie on me if I would've stayed. Still caught a case if I would've stayed. I've been thugging all my life, that's just how I played. Still posted in the A where niggas feel me. Still gotta see the gunners win Premier League. Still gotta keep a gun, it's always near me. And I'm down to hit them up
one more time. Hit my line, you know the hair was great. Oh yeah, alright, don't do romancing. I've been out late night creeping, shot slide on bitches. Posted up with the militia. Niggas ain't switching, mine on missions. Mine on pussy and millions, mine on pussy and millions. I'm tryna call a sex symbol to eat my kids up. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. Hey. Braid it up in my Suizo. Hit them, then I get amnesia. Life ain't getting any easier. Flaco, flacosito. I know that I'm not in love. She don't love me either. It's just hard to find a love.
What up? Oh man, I'm not even there you go. What up, chat? What's going on? It feels weird. Yo, is my mic good? Is it? Hold on, I gotta. Hello, my check. Yeah, it's good. Should be good. Yo, chat. What up, man? It's been a while. This ain't what. Yo, how was New York session without me? I'm not gonna lie, in New York, yo, I was up for maybe like one or two sessions in New York. I couldn't get up at 6:30 in New York. I thought I could, cause in Dominican I did. In Dominican I woke up early, but in New York I don't know. Something about New York just, you know, I was But yo, but thankfully, New York didn't move though. Like I heard while I was gone, like I looked at the markets, nothing much happened really. There was no volume. Well, actually I lied. Maybe Friday there was something decent, but aside from Friday, they're pretty chalk for me. So I'm glad I took a week off during that week. But yeah, now we are back. Yeah, no, I had like one trade last week. And it was a win. It was 83 pips, and it was one we called out. That was about it. That's all we had. So if you think about it, 83 pips, holding full. That was like basically a couple trades in the last week too. So I guess they covered up for that, you know. Yeah, Chad, yo, I miss you guys. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. I haven't streamed since the 27th, right? How am I still coughing? Yeah, it's been since the 27th of November. No, I lied. What am I saying? 27th of October. There you go. Oh wow. It's been a minute, chat. For sure. For sure, it's been a minute. Let me just send the Zoom link. Why does the OBS look so weird though? Yeah, it should be good now. Cool. What up? How does this work? I mean, we have nothing going on today anyways, right? All right, chat. So today you have man, I gotta do the analysis and all this stuff now. All right, I came a little late today, but I was there earlier, but for some reason I was trying to connect my camera and all that, and I forgot how to do all of that for some reason. But yeah, no, Wixon held down when I was gone, right? Yeah, I seen he won that trade on Friday. I think he told me he took one loss during the Nuke session last week, right? It was like Monday or Tuesday or something. And then the chat was just ripping him. And then yeah, nah, chat will be chat. Chat will always be chat, right? All right. Gold price prediction. Yeah, I'm gonna get to that. I'm gonna get to that right now. Just now, let me just settle it down here. So yeah, today you have FOREX factory news, chat. You have you have no news today. You have no USD news. I think you had overnight you had some Euro news. Other than that, USD nothing at 8:30, you know. And it's not in those nothings where it's like orange yellow folder. It's just there's nothing. There's not even an orange or yellow folder here. So yeah, definitely not much going on today. Nothing to look out for really. So that's a good day to me, honestly. When you have no news. And then I think you have news tomorrow. The elections tomorrow. So it should be a pretty interesting day tomorrow. And then Thursday you got CPI, and then core CPI unemployment claims. And Friday you have bank holiday. Wow, I haven't had a full week in so long. What is this? Observance Day? Remembrance Day. It's 11/11. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I haven't had a full week on stream since like a while, because the week before I left there was something, or I was sick or something, so I didn't stream, right? And then the week before that it was a holiday, so I haven't had a full week streaming, like a full 5-day stream in a while. But yeah, that's what you got going on for the week, chat. So I mean, not much going on today really, but let's get into the analysis. All right, so first things first, what are we gonna do here? GG or gold, chat. GG or gold. Let's go ahead and do before I do that, I actually gotta send the Zoom link. Why does it keep playing? All right, I got some the Zoom link real quick. Try and get this one on. All right, so okay, how did I do this? Okay, well, $21. Yeah, I forgot how to do everything. How'd I? Okay, there we go. Okay, all right. So let's do the analysis. All right, chat. We haven't done one of these in a while. I've been off stream, but it's time for me to do one. So starting off with gold here. Gold for the weekly is we're actually in a pretty good spot this week, I believe. I think we're in a better spot this week than last week, because this week you have more so direction in price. Remember how last week we were like bearish, right? Because we were bearish, but we were bearish at support. So this candle here closed bearish, but it closed right at the support. Therefore, I mean, it's not really a breakout. It's just we're in a range basically from here to like here, right? Like we haven't broken out yet. So this week, now that we have a bullish closure at support, that indicates that okay, maybe support's been found, and there's a high chance that this candle this week could pop up towards the top of the range, right? So looking left, we could potentially pop up and do something like this for the week, flip bullish and drive up towards the top of the range like this. This is what I'm kind of expecting for the weekly candle to do once it flips bullish after bottom wick. And again, it's only a Monday today, so like we don't know how steep this bottom wick will be, but it should be around these levels here, anywhere from the 1660 to 1650 mark, or it could be this, who knows? Like we don't really know what the official bottom wick is technically until the candle closes, right? But we can definitely anticipate, and that's what our job is to do here, is to anticipate where the bottom wick is so that we can drive it for the weekly candle. And how do we anticipate the weekly lows? Well, it's gonna be off of the daily candles. So if we can close bullish off the daily today, tomorrow, then you can say that okay, maybe that's the weekly low for the weekly drive up towards that next resistance, right? So positions for me today would be, or sorry, no, before I get into that, my bias for the day today, because that was my weekly bias, right? But my daily bias today, I guess, is also bullish as well. You did close above this resistance here that I've noticed, and looking left, you have clean traffic now off the daily, at least until 1700, right? Around this level 1700, 1690, and we're in the zone there. So I'm looking to mirror this candle to the left there, this one right around here on what day is this? October 10th candle, right? That candle right there, I'm looking to mirror that candle. Something like this today would be lovely, right? I believe this is the bottom wick, so we do flip bullish because we did tap into the support right here. If you do flip bullish, you can look to drive up to tap this resistance here at 1700. So that's my daily target. That's what we're targeting today. And positions today, I mean, looks pretty straightforward, right? You go down to the 1 hour /30 here, the small time frame. There is you're gonna notice that there is a resistance right around here, 1681, and you do have a support right here. So if you look at price, this is the range that you're in right now, basically here to you're at 1674 until 1681. That's the range you're in. If you break above 1681, which is what I'm waiting for buys, then you can take buys going up above here to take you up towards the next range, which is above here, or sorry, which is at 1689. All right, so I think this range going up is around looks pretty interesting. Yeah, 70 pip range going up. So yeah, not bad. Again, just a closure above would be ideal. Whatever happens in this range, I'm looking to probably stay out for now. That may change later, but as of right now, I'm just gonna avoid the ranges from 1681 to 1673. So I'm avoiding this range of, I think, 80 pips there, 80 pip range. All right, who knows? You might get something, you might not. But if you get a range 2 sells, that wouldn't be too bad. But there's right now there's no range 2 until you break below like 1673. All right, but yeah, until then, Just gonna wait for buys of 1681. Yeah, I think that's a pretty straightforward analysis right there. That's all you need, really. I guess you can add another support here, but like it's relevant right now, right? You don't need to worry about what happens down here. What you need to worry about right now is what happens in this range here, what happens in this box here, right? So that's why I'm saying like this is irrelevant down here. You don't need to analyze this information down at 667 just yet. What's important is the current range we're in. And then as for GJ here, GJ for the weekly is looks like the weekly here on GJ is, I guess you can say we're bearish. We're more on a bearish side, right? Because I mean we are bearish technically, but it's in a range from 172 to 166. So wait, before I get into the weekly, what happened on a monthly candle? How's the monthly looking? Oh wow, the monthly is bullish. Yeah, the monthly candle was bullish. That is very bullish. Because look, you had a resistance here, right? And then where's your next resistance now? Literally the top of the range, or 181 at least. So look left, you have all this clean traffic up on the monthly candle. It's November too, so quarter 4 things may, you know, affect volume. We may not push as much to 181, but I wouldn't be surprised if this month we get a lot of your pound news as a catalyst to push price up towards the 181 mark. So yeah, that's all clean traffic to the left hand side. Wow, that's clean. That is a clean range going up to 181. How big is that range? That's around 1300 pips. Yeah, it's a big range. So yeah, again, breaking back into the range, this indicates that we should technically drive up. Again, just imagine this is a 30-minute time frame. Forget this is a weekly. I know on a weekly or on a monthly it sounds more intimidating, but just imagine it's like a 15 or 30-minute time frame. If you have a range here and the 30-minute candle closes above the range here, you get a bottom wick. What do? You place a buy stop on the flip, right? The buy stop on the flip, because that's when you will anticipate price to drive up to fulfill the rest of the range at the 181 mark, right? So same rules apply on the higher time versus the smaller time from here in this case. But yeah, buys above, or technically the flip of the candle on the monthly should take us up towards the next monthly target. So yeah, obviously monthly is strongly bullish. The weekly is technically bearish, but you are in a range from here to here right now. So because look, you closed bearish, but you didn't close below support. You closed right at it, meaning that you're still respecting the support, right? Anything below here would be valid, right? Any closures below here would be valid for sales coming down. But until you actually do that, at any given point, you can just still drive up, right? Because you're just at a support level. So the daily today also is bullish as well. I don't really like the way the day looks though. Again, the day closed bullish, but it closed right at the top of the range again. So it didn't really officially close above. However, a bullish candle indicates that we are bullish for a day, obviously, right? So my bias is still bullish. As for positions today though, I would probably wait for buys above. This is a little tough position here because you have a resistance here, and that's a pretty strong resistance as you can see. But if you break above there, where can you go to? Maybe here. How big is this range? Looks like 30 pip range. Yeah, 30 pip range going up. And then you have a support right here basically at the 167.758 mark. So bias to me would be preferred above here, above 168.216. That range going up is around yeah, 30 pips again. So I'll probably wait for that, to be honest, right, you guys, for the day for GJ. And I mean, I think same thing we're waiting for gold, right? Just both buys here today. Yeah, there won't be any sells me on GJ until you get a range 2. So whenever that happens. But right now, there's no range 2 technically until you break below like 167. But yeah, chat. That's about it. That's the analysis. So now is the best part in trading. Now you do your analysis, you sit back, relax here, and you wait for yourselves to come to you, and that's about it. That's all you do. But yeah, that's all we do here. Oh man. Hey. We got 600 people in here. Wait, what? I took a 1 week break. What happened? But yo, so much has happened since we left. Y'all messed with the Drake album? Yo, we need to catch up on so much chat. First off, new album. Jumbo shit pop in, back outside. I don't know, bro. There's a shit ton. I haven't listened. I listened to like the songs, the album like multiple times, but I can't even pick a favorite right now. Circle Loco, P and Millions, Rich Flex, BS, Finbo. Yeah, there's a lot. Broke Boys. Actually, yeah, Broke Boy might be my favorite. Not gonna lie. Broke Boy might be my favorite. Why did you choose this resistance? GJ above? Because look left on the 30-minute here. You see how there's some like rejections here, right here, right? And there's some rejections right here as well. Some rejections right here. It indicates that we haven't closed above that range yet, right? Which indicates that it's a pretty strong resistance, right? So that's your resistance. If you go on a 1 hour as well, it's the same resistance too. So that's why I have my resistance marked up as that. It's most recent resistance, right? That's where prices for Jazz off of. Drake Lossy comes for using my name. Circle Loco. Funny. How you doing? I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. You know, just back to my job. Got a lot of stuff to do though. A lot of stuff to do. So like that whole website that I'm doing for you guys for Christmas or before Christmas, I'm trying to get it done before Christmas now, right? It was technically for Christmas, which we announced like 2 months ago, but might gotta push that before Christmas now. I'm trying to get that done for you guys in November somehow. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff we gotta do, man. A lot. A little overwhelmed, but I'm gonna try to get it done. How's vacation? It was good. It was good. Yeah, it was good. It was good, but it was just like, I mean, New York. I think I went for too long, honestly. I got a little bored. I should have stayed there for like maybe 4 days. 3 nights, 4 days. Wouldn't be perfect, but a week, a little too long. I mean, New York is like very similar to Toronto, so it's like you can't even do much in New York, right? All you gotta do really is eat food. Cause like what can you do in New York that you can't do in Toronto? Really, eat food. Fucking, I mean, travel the city, yeah, but it's just buildings, right? Yeah, man, I don't know. It was just a week was too long. But I'll probably go on vacation again in like maybe next year, chat. So don't worry. The rest of the year will be locked in as usual. I'll be on vacation again maybe in like March or something, April. Right? Central Park? Yeah, but it's like, okay, you go to the park, you walk around. Oh shit, nice park. Okay, what now? Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, you saw Gary. Yeah, no, I saw Gary V. It's funny, I went to that game and I saw Gary V, Floyd Mayweather, Fat Joe, fucking Spike Lee, like in one game. I'm like, huh? I mean, it's New York, I get it, but Floyd? I'm like, it was so random. I went to Mexico for a week and 3 days, and I wanted to come home. Yeah, now vacations, like I feel like I can't go on vacations for longer than a week, man. Oh yeah, Trace taken. Yo, no, wait, how do we finish off October, chat? Wow, we're on a streak right now, which can't be ruined. I'm playing. I mean, I'm not playing. I don't want it to be ruined, obviously, right? But we're on a little 5 streak right now on stream. This is our on-stream streak. 3, 4, 5. And yeah, signals are on like a 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so signals are on 3 and you guys on 5. Hey, picking up again, heating up. Yeah, I mean, let's get back to where we left off. I gotta clear this feed. Yeah, you're right. How did I do that? Monthly record. Okay, here we go. Month, November. But yo, chat, how's the week without me though? Like, how'd you guys do? Well, I don't want to say without me because you guys are independent, obviously, right? But like, how was the week when I wasn't here? What percentage? I don't want to see profits. Okay, if you guys tell me a profit, I don't want to see it. Tell me your percentage. First stream, I got you. Hold on, I got you. Just give me 1 second to like warm up. I gotta warm my vocals first. Up a bit. 100%. Down 5 accounts. That's not too bad. Could be worse. Remember, it can always be worse, chat. It can always be worse. Think of it that way. At least you survived. At least you're still here trading. Some people would have quit the last week. Who knows? Break even. 0.2 up 4. 6. How to get runner 12%. Hey, 12%. I think that's the best so far here, right? Is this live or delay? It's live. There's no delay. It's like maybe like a second. Try to learn chat easy, then just copy in. Up 1.3. 1.3% is pretty sturdy. Yo, oh my god. You know what I was gonna do? Speaking about being sturdy. Yo, I was gonna link up with not link up, but I was gonna when Lil Uzi was in New York, right? He came on Friday. I think he was there for Thursday and Friday, but he was there shooting his music video for Just Wanna Rock, right? And Kai Cenat, the streamer, he posted how he was gonna be in Soho, and I was like, yo, I'm like 5 minutes away from Soho, so I was gonna go. I know it was a little dangerous too, but I'm like, yo, fuck it, who cares, bro? Like, what's the worst thing that happened to me, you know? Like, I just run away. But like, he posted like, yo, be at this intersection at 12, me and Uzi pulling up or something like that to do the video shoot. And I was like, oh, I want to go. So me and my girl, like, yo, we want to go. We're gonna go. And then I think I kept reading in the Discord, and they're like, yo, yeah, the producer said it was canceled, but the director only said it was canceled because he was probably scared that there would be a lot of people, right? Because there was a lot of people. So he said, oh yeah, it's canceled, blah blah, don't show up. And then people still showed up. Obviously, people didn't care. And then fucking he was there. I was like, damn, that would have been my New York trip right there. But I thought it was canceled. I didn't go. I could have been in the music video. But nah, that would have been cool to see Uzi and Kai live. Yo, K, what up? Charge for a stream. Okay, I got you now. Who want to charge for stream again? Keelan? Alright. Buys above here, range 2 breakouts below here. No sells, range 1. Yes, that is exactly what I have here for GJ. Buys above here, no sells below here. Where's your range 2? Oh, 167. That's all the way down there. Sheesh, it's like down here. Yeah, that's my range 2 around there too. 167. Yep. Yeah, this is a bad chart. I want to see if we could get something within this range here on gold here, because I believe it's a bigger range enough for us to get something, but I want to see a range 2 form first on gold here. This forecast is so bullish though. Like, I'm very bullish on gold. I would prefer buys about 1681 here, but if we can anticipate buys in this range as well, that'd be great too. But we just need a support first, right, for that to happen. Good chat. I miss you guys, man. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. You think gold will touch 1670 before going back up?
I guess we'll never know.
You know, I guess we'll never know, man. I don't know. 1670. That's like when someone asks me that question, like, you think it's gonna come here before going up? It's like someone saying a chart and doing this on the chart. You know, like, I hate these charts, man, with a passion, because it's just a lot of guesswork, not enough of, like, why would you want to predict that when you can just anticipate the sells coming down and take the sells coming down? Like, you don't gotta worry about price going down before going up. All you gotta do is really just worry about the breakout later, right, for the buys going up. Like, I don't know, I just never understood the charts, man. It's just a lot of guesswork. Back to these questions, huh? I sure missed these questions. No, I was still active on my Instagram though, chat. Like, I was replying to messages, DMs, and all that still. So, yeah, no, I'm still active on Instagram stuff. So, yo, chat, speaking of Instagram, bro, thank you for 50K. 54 now, but we hit 50K on what day was it? The 6th? Or no, 6 days ago?
I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny symphony. I'll happen down a city street while trying to put my mind at ease, like finishing this melody. This feels like a necessity.
Yeah, like,
this could be the death of me, or maybe just a better me. Now coming with the timpanies and take a shot at Hennessy. I know I'm complimentary, but you could be the remedy. So let me play my violin for you. So if I do not plan.
what day was this? Tuesday, last Tuesday. It's been almost a week now. Big W. Thank you for 50K. Bro, again, I remember, like, I would never forget when because one of the first following FX was QBanks, right? I'll never forget when QBanks hit 50K or 100K. I was like, wow, that's crazy. But for me to hit 50K now, it means a lot. I don't know how, but Broly, keep doing your magic, man. Cause woo. Shout out to Broly. Without Broly, this wouldn't have happened for sure. Are you just streaming Asian session? Yeah, chat. Remember earlier I told you guys I miss you yet? I was just flying, chat. Bro, nah, this is New York session. I'm shooting a New York session, man. Come on. Wix9 streams Asian session. I'm on New York session. Speaking of Wix9, wow, Wix9 is here right now. Yo, thank you. Yo, big shout out to Wix9, man, because this guy for sure held it down for us. You know, like he did a double session for you guys for a whole week basically. He did Asian, and then he did a New York session for you guys every day. That's a lot of brain power, man. Especially with this chat, you need a lot of brain power for that. So huge shout out goes to Wix for holding it down for us. Again, if you guys stream, if you guys want to watch one during Asian session, that's your man, right? That's your guy right there, Wix9. So make sure you tune into his stream, his channel. It's a TSD. Yo, I don't know how he stays so calm. I don't know how he does it. I definitely cannot do it. So big shout out to Wix for doing the Asian session. Yo, I mean New York session when I was gone. Yo, Wix9. Yeah, how
What's the
many
deal?
subs are you at?
What?
How many subs are you at?
We're on our way to 4K.
Yeah, that's
Thinking-
insane.
We're on our way to 4K. Yeah, great week last week. We did 2 Asian sessions and we did 5 New York sessions.
Wow.
Okay, so we skipped on a couple of Asian sessions because of Halloween and because it was my kid's birthday.
Mhm.
New York, and we slayed the New York session. We took our first loss of the month of November was a loss, and then we had three wins in a row. 2 of them were runners. Well, actually, we had 2 on stream. We had a big runner on Friday. We
Yeah,
had a win
80
on
pips,
Thursday.
right?
We had a win on Thursday. No, and it went like 40. I closed at 40. I think it went 45. We hit full TP at 45 pips on the dot.
Mhm.
But that morning before the stream, I also hit one for 80 pips. So I don't know if I want to count that as a part of the New York session because it was right before the stream. So it was a great week, and we finished it off with a nice big runner on Friday that hit full TP on stream.
What was it, 80?
Oh, I'm telling you, it was 45.
Oh fuck, I didn't hear.
Yeah. But it hit full
My hearing
TP
didn't
on
improve.
stream. So we know a lot of times we get a trade on stream, then wait for runners maybe after stream or something like that, but we leave them open.
Yeah.
But it ran right on stream, yeah. So that was a good trade.
Damn.
It's nice when it runs on stream, not like when the Asian session when we had a trade at like 9:30 and like we hit
Yeah.
also runners full TP, but like midnight. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
it's good because we have content. That gives me content. Gave us content.
No, that's amazing.
W everybody though. A lot of people took those trades.
I see a lot of new names here. Did you bring that crowd over here? Cause
Yeah, there was a lot.
I see some people that I never seen before.
Oh, there was a lot of new names, and they were coming up. Not Asian. They were coming to my stream, but morning. And I was like, where are you coming from? You're not from downstream. And they're like, no, just the algo. The YouTube algo is recommending it. So it was good.
Yeah, they didn't know who I am.
YouTube's recommending my stream. But I was telling them, I was like, hey, starting next week, there's a lot of people that are like, all right, I sub to his channel when he comes back. So they're all here now.
Yeah, yeah, we just need someone during the London session now, really, man.
Yeah.
But we have people on mine, but no one's that we're committed to yet. We're in the works of looking for someone for the London session that can run DVS, but no one's DVS enough yet, man. No one's DVS enough yet. Or no one streams that's DVS enough yet.
Yeah, Curse, I don't limit myself anymore. It's all about opportunity. I see my trade, my setup, I take it. But the thing is, I'm very selective. So a lot of the setups that you see, I just don't take. So people are like, oh, I take 5 trades a session. I'm like, I don't see 5 setups in a whole day in 2 sessions. I'll see maybe like, 2, 3 setups combined in like both sessions. Be more selective because that's going to represent who you are outside the trade, right? Like if you're not selective here and you're just taking random shit, like that's what you're going to known as. That random motherfucker. If you're selective and you're taking just your shit and you're winning.
Quantity. No,
quality.
Quality.
Like
I was getting confused. Yeah, quality. Yeah, quality.
Quality over quantity. You take the high quality decisions, and you'll see. You become more patient like that in life. You're gonna have a lot more respect from people in relationships, in conversation. Be more selective in what you say during conversations. Be more selective in everything. Right? Don't just run with shit. Run with the crowd.
Yeah, y'all always follow the crowd. Guess what? Y'all always gonna be behind. Cause y'all was chasing something. Yeah, New York is shit, guys. Yeah, when I went there in 2019, I don't know, maybe it was different back then in 2019, but 2019 I had a blast. Yeah,
You just met up with the wrong people.
I come back this time, I'm like, I don't know, bro. Shit's just it's like Toronto, but Toronto just smells better. Just fresher air. That's one thing. It's just like Toronto.
Did you go to the Met?
There's no the gala. What?
The Met. Well,
the
there's
baseball.
museum. There's the opera. No,
No, we were gonna go
he
to.
said baseball.
Yeah, yo, we were gonna go to the museums, but like like it's just museums though. Like I'm not gonna live in New York for a museum. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, that's why people come to New York. They go.
No, they travel
They go
around
to
and
the
they see
museum.
shit.
They
Yeah.
go to the Natural History Museum. You go see a Broadway show. You should have went to see like Cabaret or Chicago or like, or at least like Phantom of the Opera or something like that. Just
No, you know what it is, bro. New York.
cultural shit.
I think what it was is back then, 2019, New York's a little different, but now it's like all full influencers, bro. I hate that shit.
Oh, it's like Cali, yeah.
It's just like people go there just to flex, and it's like I don't like that shit. No, I don't like that. I don't know. It's just a bunch. It's just fake. I don't like it.
Man,
I hate it.
don't come to Miami, dog.
Maybe because I was in Manhattan this time. Last time I was in Brooklyn. I like Brooklyn because Brooklyn was more chill. But in Manhattan, it's just like everyone's just trying
Brooklyn
to
is
flex
more
now.
chill. But the Brooklyn and Bronx boroughs are just honestly they're different. Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, they hit different than Manhattan.
Yeah, Manhattan's just like, bro, it's just everyone's just walking around trying to swing their shit around. Like, yo, I got the biggest,
Word.
But instead of flexing cars they do in Miami, they flex like other stuff.
You gotta go where there's less people, not more. You should
Yeah.
like next trip you gotta like take a cruise to Alaska. You know what I mean? Like a cruise you gotta like do.
No, next vacation I'm going on a resort. I'm trying to go on this thing
It's
where
gotta be an actual vacation, not like
I'm
you know what I
doing-
mean?
I'm
Not
doing-
like go and do shit.
I'm I'm trying to do a city and then
And then relax.
relax. Yes, next time I'm
Yeah.
relax because it's Dominican, right? So now I went to New York. Now I'm gonna relax next time. I'm probably gonna go to like Tulum or some shit.
Yeah, how many of you go on vacation and then need a vacation after you come back from vacation?
Yo, that was me.
How many of you go on vacation and do like crazy shit? You'll go to like I don't know, you go to Germany, Dubai, Amsterdam. People will go to like all these crazy places where they like go see shit. They go to Vegas, they go party, and then you come back home and you're like, fuck, I'm tired.
I want to go to Vegas.
vacation. I need to go relax now. That's the vacation.
One thing I like
Gone.
about this vacation though is that it was only a 1 hour flight, so I like that. It was like 50-minute flight from Toronto to New York. Even flying back too, it's hella quick. But that's honestly it, bro. Aside from that, like
Devious jet coming soon.
coming soon. I don't know about that. It's a lot of.
I gotta talk to Grant. I gotta talk to Papa Grant.
December 10th. No, I'm not vacation for the whole year, chat. I gotta chill this year. I gotta lock it in because I gotta drop this website, man. I really have to drop this website. It's a must.
Yeah, that's a must.
I need to give it a name all of a sudden now. So
Six Powerball numbers. 6, 12, 22, 46, 52, and 69 if you can do that.
How was October? This is October, chat. I didn't really trade the rest of October after. So if you don't know if you guys could see this, but yeah, this was October. That's why I finished off in October, around 31,000, and then November. Oh no, sorry. This is not October. Sorry, this is October 31st. October is 18,000. November is what's popping already for us. November 1st to the November currently.
To the November.
This is currently November for us. So aside from that one trade we called on in the signals last week, that's about it.
Yeah, chat. No stops November.
Bro, that runner was massive. It was like I think it was like a 10 pip stop, 10 pips, like 11 pip stop loss. I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed. Because when I saw it, I was already driving down. I'm like, all right, I took no trades this week. This is the first trade of the week. I'm just gonna go to bed here, wake up, have a TP stop loss. Literally, stop loss is only like 10 I think 11, 10. Like I think it was like 15 pips. Sorry, like 15 pips.
Smack full TP.
Yeah, it was no drawdown too. I went to bed when it was in profit already. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna let it rock. So the signal channel, once this price stops break even, blah blah.
Did you
That's
even
about
break
it.
even?
No, I didn't. I woke up and I just boom. That was it.
Oh, got boom, trip paid for. Oh, thanks. Whoever offered to pay for my trip. That's awfully nice of you. It's the beautiful morning.
Congrats on hitting 200K account. I don't get shit. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
200K? Where? That's he's not even thinking about the money. That's not
No,
important.
no, that's not even. Yeah, because like technically, if you're talking about 200K, like I hit that a long time ago, right? Because it's just the account or it's just money you put aside for FX like over time. Yeah, but this account, I guess so. Yeah, it does count. Maybe I gotta bring it down to 5K now though.
Yeah, I think you guys should congratulate yourself, because if you guys are here when he's hitting 200K, you guys are hitting some similar numbers.
No, yeah. If my account going up, your account's going up as well, right? Why? It doesn't make sense if my account goes up, your account
What is
doesn't go
that?
up.
We going up from here.
We're going up from here, man.
Going up. Can't even read that. You can't read that because you a dumbass, broke ass, unmillionaire ass. Yo, fucking legend.
RIP. Wait, what are we doing here? We're not playing the album. What is this? Yeah, so much stuff happened since I left for some reason.
I had to go copyright free like the first 3 or 4 streams. Like I kept getting banned.
I might gotta do that as well very soon. Yo, chat, if you hasn't joined the streams, by the way, leave a like. Thank you, thank you.
To us. Yeah, leave a like and subscribe and go follow the IG. They're popping.
Yep. 54. 55K today. Sheesh. Sheesh. Why is he looking at me like that? Look at this guy. Yo, we can make money like that? I'm like, yeah, bro.
He's like, show me the check and I'll call my boss right now and quit.
Did you trade break and retest? Not to find the man? No. Wrong and wrong. And we won't trade either. We just trade price action. There should be 100 likes. I think we have 100 likes. We have 150 likes right now. There should be 200 likes. Let's get trades here. Well, we go. I mean, right now there's not much going on right here. I can't do much here.
There was 200 likes with 300 viewers on my stream. It was 580 in here. There should be like 400 likes right now. What's the deal, chat? Show some motherfucking love. Yeah, I think like, yo, the more likes you guys drop, the more the algo on YouTube. That's how the algo works. The algo on YouTube was gonna recommend it to other people, right?
So I left for a weekend. You learn about algos now. Okay, okay.
Right.
I sure know about algos.
That's how the YouTube algo works, right? If they like it or if they subscribe, then YouTube's gonna recommend this stream to other like-minded people. And the more people we have here that are like-minded, the better the community, right? So let's grow a non-toxic, like-minded community. Drop a like, subscribe, and you're gonna be one of the builders of the community. You're helping to build this shit. You're laying bricks here.
Yeah, each person brings a brick to the stream. Some people bring more bricks. Some people take off bricks. Some people steal bricks from us, and they never come back. But those ones, you know, there's more bricks to come than more bricks to leave. So it balances out. That's how we go up, right? Because the more you find out,
the more you fuck around,
the more you find out. Right, chat? This is a chart, right?
It's not even an inverse relationship. It's a direct relationship. Look.
The more you find out. Oh no, the more you fuck around, the more you find out.
Yeah, the fuck around has to be on top, on the side. And then find out on the bottom.
Where you gonna fuck around and find out scale? Not gonna lie. Probably like the top right. I'm in the corner, bro. You know what's funny, man? I got back from my flight on Friday at like 4 p.m. I then played hockey the same day at 8. And then I woke up the next morning at 7 a.m. to play again.
Go ice skating in New York?
Nope.
Why not?
There's not a lot of rinks, and also
What do you mean? There's
they
another place
have
you could have done.
they have
You
outdoor
could've-
rinks, but
There was one next to you by like Chelsea Piers,
and
and
it's outdoor, no?
No, Chelsea Piers is a big like compound. That's where they practice.
I wasn't even like
And then-
looking, to be honest.
And you could have gone to fucking the Rockefeller Center and just ski outside. I mean, ski outside. Ice skate outside.
Yeah, with what weather? In 20 degree weather outside when the snow melts?
It doesn't matter. The ice is still there.
No shot.
Yeah, the ice is there. Trust me.
Ice is not there when it's 20 degrees outside. It's impossible.
Ice is there. Yeah, ice is there half a year around. Well, there are people that get paid hundreds of thousands of dollars to keep that ice nice. It's a huge tourist spot. Like the largest Christmas tree in the world makes it there. Like people from all over the place come there. I think that's where the NBC studio is and everything. Oh, Bricks. You like? Drop a like.
Man, can we get this this looks like a range 1 here on gold here, if you
On the
can
higher time frame.
close above, because the 4 hour can flip, right? That's what I'm looking at right now. The 4 hour candle, it's so bullish here. It's just, can you flip here, right?
Funny thing is, we didn't look at
Question.
the 15 or the 5. I don't think not once while you were gone. We took no 15 trades.
Yeah, no, we never take 15 trades anyways.
Like, I've honestly stopped looking at the 15 candle, and not just because I've stopped looking at it. I just naturally I realized, I'm like, I haven't looked at the 15 in a flip.
Yeah,
So
15 is
over
very good
time-
though. Is when like it's very
It's good.
volatile.
It's good in the New York session if you're having a lot of volume and you need some kind of entry because the candles are running.
Yeah,
Right? But
you need an entry. when basically you're selling down for less. You know,
Yeah.
this 15 ain't look too bad.
we need something here right now.
This ain't going to 5 in 1 minute.
Sorry for everyone that's playing Fortnite right now. I didn't mean to interrupt your Fortnite. No, there's no position here. Go back to playing Fortnite. We'll let you know. They were like, oh shit, they're getting louder. Position coming up. And nope.
We're on a 5 streak on stream here.
Oh, you got charged for
We
stream.
haven't lost a trade this month. We haven't lost a trade in a month. We haven't lost a trade on stream in 1 month. If you can show me where we lost a trade on stream in a month, I will give you this entire account. But we haven't lost a trade since October 7th. 1 month ago. 1 month ago was the last time we took a loss on stream. Proof is on the spreadsheet. Flash our streams. It's a live stream. You can't fake live streams, all right?
Right? It's not in the pudding.
I've always said that.
Right here.
You can fake a lot of things in the industry, guys. Don't get fooled. You can fake a lot of stuff in the industry. You can fake. People fake demos. People fake lives. People fake,
Can't fake a live
positions.
position.
People fake. You can't. But one thing you cannot fake here, you cannot fake a live stream. That's one thing you cannot fake.
Wicks lost last week. Hand me the 200K. I'm on a 2-win streak, okay? He's on a 5. No, I'm on a 3-win streak. 2-win streak, yeah. Can you summarize price action for me real quick? Yeah, the study of historical price data.
That's all it is, really. You're looking back in the past. What happened in the past? Can it be replicated again? Okay, well, if it can, how many times has it been replicated again? And then you just add those ingredients together and rinse and repeat. I can't really explain the whole strategy in one sentence, really. But that's how the strategy is powerful. It's not as easy as saying, well, first I draw a trend line from here to here, and then I draw a fib from here to here, and then I measure how big this fib is, and I just take the reverse. It's not as easy as that, you know. There's a lot more detail involved, but that's why you gotta keep coming to the streams, because it sounds like you're a little new to the streams, but if you come to the streams every day for the next 3 months, you will see a major improvement. And you can ask, I'm not sure if he's here right now in the chat, but you can ask Ken in the chat. Not sure if he's here today. I don't think he is, but he came when he asked those same questions you asked him. Oh, Don, how do you trade? You know, what is price action? How do you draw support and resistance? And then over time, he's answering questions for you guys now in the chat. He's helping out the chat. So
Shit, he's in London streaming soon.
I'm pretty sure there's a lot more people here that did that as well. But that's the last person I remember who did that, because I remember he used to ask some ridiculous questions, bro. At one point, I was on time out. That's how ridiculous it was.
So he wasn't gonna ban him?
I really like the trading journey. Is there a link I would? Oh, journal. Yeah, works on this. Bullish and golf from the 15 on gold with confirmation for the EMA. What do you think?
I guess we'll never know.
On trade EMAs, on trade count patterns. I don't know. All I know is that there is a resistance at 6.77. I want price to break above there for buys to go up to fill the range. I know that there's a support down here, and if you have a support and resistance, that equals basically a range. So right now we're in the range, and I don't want to be on that scale. I don't want to fuck around to find out right now. I want to just find out once we break above 6.77, because the more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out. The more you fuck around FX, the earlier you're gonna find out your account's gonna get blown. You should trade NAS 100. No, sir. I did not trade NAS 100. I got a message from
Somebody else?
from the hotel. We have found that you have caused problems in your hotel. Please send.
Don't come back.
Please send $5,000 USD now. Imagine that.
There go your deposit.
Babies.
Is the worst. Savage snatch you out your crib, then drop you in a hearse. Baby, please, when me nervous, stop reaching in your purse. Nigga went and bought a house when he could've bought a verse. Niggas dumb as fuck. Imagine if I did that stupid shit when I was coming up. My crib feel like a hedge fund. I be in here just thumbing up. No, I'm SN1 till I'm done fucking London up. Niggas make me nauseous. I had enough of broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys. Yeah, I can't talk to broke boys. I can talk to broke boys. I can talk to broke boys.
Go to the hourly, just say.
Yes, sir. Whoa, 1 hour, 30 minutes just closed there. Yeah, what about the 1 hour?
Yeah, there's no support here, Jet.
I mean,
On the hourly.
Wait a
We
minute.
need to thumb
On gold or
bullish.
GJ?
Right here on gold.
Oh,
We
you
need
mean
some-
like bullish closes that support? Yeah.
We need some bullish candles. You got a fake out there too. You see that? It closed with no bottom wick.
Yeah.
On GJ, I think it closed with no bottom wick.
Yeah. GJ closed 30 with no bottom wick, and that's definitely a range one breakout. Eyes above here for
Yeah.
range two, or
Yeah. Might get a fake out here. Back up.
yeah. Yeah, so chat, for those that don't remember, a little refreshment. A fake out is usually when you get a range 1 breakout and you would anticipate the next candle to drive back up into the range. So you can only take buys if it does push back into the range. This is what I'm anticipating, since the daily is obviously bullish today. And this is a range 1. However, any given point it could not do that and obviously still drive down, right? So the only way I can take sells on GJ here today is if you get a range 2. So if you close like bullish like this, okay, then maybe later we can take some sells going down, because anything below these levels here will be clean for us to drive down to retest the lows, tapping like the 167 marker, right around these levels here. But yeah, no, until then though, that's what wick sign is referring to, the fake out.
And the thing is, the previous hourly is also, I think, wickless. Wait, let me go back to the chart. Yeah, if you look at the previous hourly, it also had no bottom wick. So if this 30 ends up coming back in range, it'll close this current hour bull.
Yo, when you leave for vacation, you start missing chat, but you only miss chat until,
because you only remember the good parts of chat and all the good times you had.
Yep.
You don't remember all the fucking like that. The new chat, the troll chat.
but then you come back and you're like, oh, this is what I missed. I ain't missing too much.
He thought he was coming back to like,
Nah, you missed the DBS community.
rainbows and snow cones, sugar canes.
Come back to fight for my life.
That'd be on too.
Nah, today chill day though. I believe today's gonna be a chill day. Maybe later I might get a little weird, but very chill. Just waiting for our setups here. I know people right now are looking for sells right here though. I know damn well people are looking for sells here. People are looking at this 3-minute flip. I see you guys. You guys looking at a 3-minute flip here. I see you guys. This 3-minute flip. You guys have sell stops here. Current count stops like this. You guys try and catch this piece right here.
Nah, fuck it. They're entering on the way. Impulse entry.
Chat be chatting. Chat FX. Sales under 670. Sales. Oh, brother.
Trading with a basic membership, which is free, worth it, as I can't use indicators. You mean trading on TradingView? Just free.
You don't need indicators to trade, man. Trust me. You do not need indicators to trade. I haven't touched an indicator since like maybe 2019.
Oh, you're gonna need a broker to trade though, and you're gonna need like a platform trade. Can't just go to TradingView. For the most part. Ibrahim, you get a broker, see what platform they provide. I don't think TradingView is this platform. Do I use Oanda or FOREX? See, he's too new to. He's talking about going to use. We don't trade on Oanda or FOREX. This is just.
Yeah, no, I trade on this. 25.
See, that's what you got on the screen right now. That's what you want to trade. That's what we trade on. That's MT5. It's all right. This is gonna be in the document. No, it's not gonna be in the document, right? Brokers, platforms, none of that.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh yes. Let's wait for the document. Come on. Clint, I think it's because it's hard to teach an all dog new tricks and like 7 hour ways. That's what we've traded on. I mean, that's what we've charted on. That's what Don's charted on. I've always charted on MT4, MT5. But since I started streaming, I'm charting on Oanda. Is there Asian stream today? What's today? Today's Monday. Yeah, we're gonna run an Asian stream.
What's the difference between your Discord and your live trade? What do you mean Discord's free? What you mean? You mean being the signals? Oh, signals. Well, you have different sessions, right? You have there's different sessions that we trade too, not just in New York. We trade Asian and London too sometimes. So that's what the streams don't have, obviously, because I don't trade Asian on stream or New York or London session on stream. So that's why these numbers are a bit different. Like the pip count for the year is like almost as double, or almost as triple, almost as triple now on the pay signals.
Damn, signals eating.
Yeah, because we have more sessions, right? So that's the difference, really. But
yeah, they get a lot.
Same strategy though. Strategy. What the hell is pocket option? Oh, that's IMO.
Yo, what's today's date?
Today's date is November 7th. 7/11. Oh, Slurpee Day. Is that actually no? Today's not Slurpee Day. That's usually July 11th. What the time? What the time? Okay, you have 19 minutes left for closure here. He says, shout out to people working 9 to 5. You be working 9 to 9. Everyone's gonna introduce the term IMO. Debatable. Debatable. Oh, what happens to IMO nowadays though, chat? Like, where is IMO now? Like, are they still doing the same? Like, are they still running as normal? Are they still throwing events every month? I think they are, right? They're still throwing those events every month or every other month to promote their stuff.
You talking about?
The cult.
What you talk about, Willis?
The chairman. This chairman scream. I should go to one, bro. I should go on my interview everyone. Asking questions about trading. So the last time I heard IMO members speak, like a chairman, he was a chairman 500 by the way. Last time I heard him speak about trading, I heard him say USD euro. I lost it. After that, I lost it. He's like, yeah, so USD euro here, you can trade on this broker. I'm like, huh? What is a USD euro?
Those euros, you know, the USD euros. Never had a USD euro? They don't even have meds for that. You carry that shit around all life. You can't even get rid of it. That USD euro. Need triple antibiotics.
In your interview with Margot, you said you prefer if the FOREX closed at 9. Oh, because we're probably talking about Traders Min's broker. I just prefer the Wando's timings. It's a little different from because the rollover time is different on Church Domain versus Wando or any other broker that I've traded before. And usually it's the rollover time is 5, but the rollover time on TD is 8.
No, he's talking about the 4-hour candle closing mid-session at 9 a.m. or 9. Because you get a stronger closure and you get a really strong
But
closure.
doesn't it already close at 9?
Session.
Doesn't it already close at 9?
Yeah, that's what he's saying. That you like the fact that it closes at 9, the 9 p.m. closure. You like
No,
this
he
4
said
hour.
you prefer. So wait, but what I prefer, what I refer that to? I said preferred. I don't remember saying that.
You'd prefer if the 4-hour candle closed at 9, and it does close at 9. The 4-hour closes at 9. 4-hour close, you get a stronger close during the session. If you go to the broker like Trader's Domain, it closes at 6 and 10. Right? So it's 6 and 10. You don't really get a strong closure during our session. It just closes right before, right after. But at 9 is like during the session we get a strong confirmation.
Yeah,
I
like
don't know. Sorry, go ahead.
I like the 9 a.m. closure, the way it is.
I just don't remember Don saying that either.
I don't remember that. I'm not really saying that either, man. I don't remember me saying that. I've always preferred a 9. Why did I say I preferred a 9? What did I refer that to? Like, so they must have asked me a question about a different broker or something. I don't remember. Have you ever had Church's Chicken? Yeah, Church's is amazing. Their biscuits is like heaven. Alright, before their biscuits are better than Popeyes. Like,
I stay away from the biscuit.
gotta risk it for the biscuit, man.
You ever had Church's Chicken? Yeah, I love them biscuits. No, chicken.
They actually changed their name to Texas Chicken because they were getting backlash for using Church's Chicken. There was some stuff going on, so they changed their stuff to Texas Chicken. So you're gonna see Texas Chicken from now on instead of Church's Chicken. How's the time away? It was amazing. I got to just wake up, relax, not think about I didn't trade really. I took like maybe 1 or 2 trades, but
Yo,
they said more money, more problems. Bringing the problems. Yeah, chat. I was literally in front of the. I was looking at the Twin Towers from where I was.
Freedom Tower.
Well, not it's like a little square now, right? It's the memorial thing, but I was literally like next to it. I can see the hole from here.
Yo, he's mad funny. He calls me up. He's like, "You want to see my view?" He shows me the view. I was like, "You know what that is?" He's like, "No, it's just like it's cool, tall buildings." I was like, "Yo, you're across the street from the Twin Towers, from the."
So you telling me
he's looking outside. He's showing me the Freedom Tower. He's showing me the memorial. He's looking right at it. It's across the street from him, and he's like, "Yeah, I don't know. It's cool. I don't know where I'm at." I'm like, "Bro, that's the spot right there. You're like right there. You're at ground zero."
Yo, so you telling me I was in front of what happened 21 years ago? That's insane.
I was there. I was in New York.
You were in New York at that time? You were in Canarsie though. No, not Canarsie. You were in
I was in Brooklyn. You would literally see it from my window, from my balcony, it happened during I was in high school. And some kid ran into the class. It was math class in the morning, and it was real early. It was the first class of the day, and it was math, and I was sleeping, and some kid ran in, and he was like, "Yo, did you guys see what happened on the news?" And people were like, "Fuck you talking about?" There's like one TV in the whole school. And then they announced it, and then they let everybody go home. And yeah, and then as soon as you walk outside, you could see it all from anywhere in New York, wherever you were, you could see it. I remember.
That's crazy. I was 21 years ago. You were in high school 21 years ago?
Yeah, and I was literally the weekend before that. I was there because we used to go there and skate. Some people would skateboard, and like It'll be dope. Was there a few days before that.
All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy it. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to hide. Hey, FOREX stepping on shit.
Oh man.
He brought me the money sealed up. I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow. That's cause the necklace of Frank. Purr. Whoa.
DJ Longs? Yeah, I'm waiting for the 1 hour closer. I'm waiting for the 1 hour closure here, chat. It's in about 11 minutes here. Because the third didn't close above yet. Third is also the 1 hour close as well, right? The 15 close, yeah, but I need a 30 close minimum, which is a 1 hour close, right? So if this 1 hour can close bullish, that'll be amazing. If we can close bullish here, we can go to like 167.872. Close bullish. Next 1 hour count 80, I wouldn't be too bad. I also want the buys on gold too, but let's see. Let's see what happens in about 11 minutes here. Patience, 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 patience. What?
He said. Pew, pew.
I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow. That's cause the necklace of Frank. Purr.
Oh, that's the necklace of Frank. I'm wearing the same necklace right now. Frank. Zoomed in. LOL, I see a booger. You're preying too much, K. Not gonna lie there.
Who are you zooming in on? Me or Don?
Oh, you can zoom in on YouTube now.
Can you?
Yeah. You can go on YouTube on your mobile device and go. You can literally zoom onto the screen and see everything now on YouTube. I don't think you can do it on I don't think you can do it on this. You can do it on
desktop.
Yeah, you can't do it on desktop. You gotta do it on your mobile device. You can go zoom. It just zooms in to anything. Like by 10x. C'est la vie.
C'est la vie. Yo, this fucking light. Yo.
Did you watch Black Adam? No, I didn't watch
feel like I'm
the Rock's
melting.
movie yet. I'll watch a movie in a minute. Yeah, you're probably not updated. You can zoom in like 20x now. It's insane. I was at the lease game and I saw myself on the screen.
That's funny.
I was like, hold on, I'll show you guys.
You better
what's going
do
on. I was at this lease game on Saturday. And I literally saw myself on the screen. I was sitting like right here. I'm right here. That's me. This is me and my girl.
That black spot.
This is me right here.
You couldn't wear some like neon shit.
Nope.
Swings wide on Pascal.
Oh, I can't get a better view.
Swat.
I can't see.
Loose. Score!
It's hard to see on this, but yeah, I was over there.
You should have just came there with a fucking
Neon hoodie.
hockey stick, full pads, ready to go in case they need somebody. Sit right behind the bench, just bang on the fucking glass. Put me in, coach. Put me in.
Hey, coach. Yeah, so now you guys have no excuse for, hey Don, I can't see my screen. Don, what number is that on your screen? I can't read it. You guys just zoom in now, right? It's a win-win for you guys. W YouTube. YouTube finally making upgrades. Like finally, look at this. If you go on my channel now on YouTube, I don't have to I can leave every live stream up now because it doesn't come in the way of my videos. There's videos here, there's shorts, And then there's live videos here. There's a live section now. So this is amazing. This is the best thing that's ever happened to YouTube in a while.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. WWOotube. All right, one more time. What's channel down's friend? It's called Wixstein. I was watching Wixstein's Wisdom. I was watching Wixstein's Wisdom on vacation for some reason. I was looking at his channel. I was looking at his Wisdom. I forgot what episode was that. I think it was like maybe like the. What was this episode? No, but yo, which one was it when you went to dinner or you went to the caviar spot? That was this one, right? You want to go eat caviar.
Tell us what you do.
Yeah, this guy right here, I was dying for some reason.
You got the best truffles in town. We picked up.
This guy. Hold on, where is it?
Yo, he walked over to me.
Thank you, man.
I got mushrooms.
No, it's funny because he's like, wow, I don't know why
so-
he asked me. Shit.
I'm not gonna lie. This guy just showed us some honey infused with magic mushrooms. He said it's his new stuff, and I don't know. You find all the things you won't need and things you don't want and need and don't ask for over here at the farmers market. But I don't know why he pulled me over to the side and tell me that. I guess I look like I'm a customer that would be interested, but that was pretty cool. He's got a whole bunch of good stuff and he's got some stuff.
Yeah, he pulled you over. That's mad funny.
Yeah, like I was talking to him. I put on okay, and then like right after, as soon as I finished, he was like, "Yo, check this out."
Yo,
like,
imagine like, why you?
So I walked away. I was like, "Yo, you guys ain't gonna believe this shit. I should have filmed that part."
You just exposed them, by the way. He said, Psh, and you just exposed them in front of.
Yo,
oh,
I told him I'm gonna send him customers.
in front of 500 people, 700 people, 3,000 people. You exposed them in front of. Now he's gonna get. He's gonna get HR calling him tomorrow.
Nah, he's on his own. He had a lot of people buying. Like he had truffle shit. He had like different.
Was that truffle or caviar? My bad.
No, he had a lot of truffle shit, and then he had like honey, like very nice honey.
Right from the beach.
It was hilarious. I gotta get the footage with this murderer guy, probably.
What is this, bro?
He had truffle salt, truffle hot sauce, truffle mustard, truffle mayo, truffle barbecue. He had everything. He had truffle honey. He was like, you ever seen Forrest Gump when he was talking about shrimp? That's how this guy was with truffles. What you looking at? Food? And I know you see like a Rice Krispies bar or something.
You know what I see here? I'm looking at this right now. This is what I see right now. One more time.
Yeah. Be a closure above range right now, chat. Hold on. Oh, he sees a Wix special.
Yep. Yeah, Wix special. I see a 1 hour bullish closure on GG here, which we can take buys on in about 3 minutes here.
We just discussed this. The 30-minute faked out, which means the hourly.
We just drew it out.
Bullish.
Yeah. And you mentioned how there's no bond wick as well. That was also. Yep. Now it's just a matter of a bottom wick.
Cancel the 1 hour closing bullet. Now, if this closes doji, we can just drive up.
How much did we move today already? We moved around 150. Not too shabby unit, mate. Yo, you guys watch that guy? Chat? Yodi Gang, what's his name? What's his name? Damn, what's his name again? Oh man, guys. Damien Luck? Nah, his name's like France. Yo, again, what's his name? What's his name again? Damien Luck, is that him? Yeah. Well, no, what's his name though? His name's like Fade yeah. Fulcrum, yeah, Fulcrum. That's his name. Fade in ho. Yo, you guys seen the new World Cup song? It's crazy out here. That's why I want to talk about today. The new World Cup song.
Let's go! Everybody rise up! Stand up! It's that time! Come on! We got Portugal, we got Mexico, France, England, Brazil, Belgium, Qatar, Germany, USA, Iran, Canada, Argentina, Australia, Croatia, Switzerland, Ghana, Japan, Uruguay, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, Ecuador, Wales, Poland, Tunisia.
I just took that in. I just took in what he said.
Croatia, Switzerland, Ghana, Japan, Uruguay, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, Ecuador, Wales, Poland, Tunisia, Cameroon, Serbia, Korea, Netherlands, Senegal, Costa Rica. Let's play football. World Cup! World Cup! World Cup! World Cup! World Cup! World Cup! No man, let's get right. Hell no man, let's get right. Got Portugal with the come with the nightlight. Mexico, we come with the right. Italy, we come with the right. Like Cameroon, we came with the pipe. Mexico, we come in right. Like World Cup time. Fight till we die. We up in the field, we finna hit till we die. Kick till we die. Hunt until we die. Headers until we die.
Oh wait, we gotta close your chat. Gotta lock it in here. Sorry. We'll listen to the rest of the song later.
Can we not?
World Cup. World Cup. World Cup. World Cup. All right. Wow. Goal closed bullish here. Last second, huh? Closed bullish here, eh? Yeah, GJ closed bullish as well. Now, which one is it gonna be here? Oof.
I don't know if it closed bullish.
I don't know if GJ closed
bullish.
I don't know if GG closed strong enough bullish here. Gold, I'm trying to see. Like, I have my resistance marked up based off of what, a 30 here, middle of this 30-minute range here. But I want to see where the 1 hour is, because the 1 hour candle closed, right? There is a support right here. Yeah, support right here. Right here. Support right here as well. Or resistance here. Resistance here. Resistance here. A lot of resistance here. But did we close above that resistance is the question. Oh, it looks like we have. Interesting. Okay. Wow. How big is this range going up? Yeah, we can't break the lows here if we want to drive up. So this range going up is around 40s. Yeah, this is a nice stop too. 28 pip stop. Perfect. You know what we're gonna do here?
Back and flips here.
We're gonna have a buy stop. Yes, yes, yes. Buy stops here. Good chat. 6 and 7, 7, 5, 6, 2. World Cup. 16 TP is gonna be 1681.685. Stop loss is gonna be the previous count low, which is the 1 hour count low. 6 and 7, 4.640. Yeah, you can honestly get away with probably using the current count stop as well, but I'm just gonna use the previous count stop. Let's see.
Because you're not breaking the previous candle high yet. If you're breaking the previous candle high, right?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna use?
I'm using the current candle high Flip.
Yeah.
Buy stop. How do I do a buy stop again? Oh yeah, buy. This is 77.562 TP. Actually, we don't got to do it just yet. 10 lots. Perfecto. Perfecto. TP 1681.685. 67.4.640. Cool, cool, cool. Got buy stops here, chat. As you can see, now, who's mowing a lawn here in the middle of November? Man, it's gonna snow next week, man. There's no point mowing a lawn.
Word. Send him to my house.
Who's mowing a lawn here?
Send him to my house. Quite confused. Yeah, Green, it is that time. Few minutes, couple minutes. You forgot to tell him to stay off the sidewalk.
Huh. Wait, where's the buy stop? 6. Oh, but activate just now. Maybe.
That green line that says buy stop.
Buy stops on the break of the highs, chat. That's what it is. I got 6.7 on my broker. I got 67.562. Okay, that's my broker. Well, not my broker. Blueberry Markets. I don't got a broker. World Cup. You can also anticipate the 4 account too, because the 1 hour account, the 4 account is bullish, right? So if the 1 hour account is closing bullish here, this 1 hour account could lead to the 4 hour account flipping, because the flip of the 4H is somewhere up here. So if we're flipping bullish on the 1 hour here, you're anticipating this 1 hour candle to do something like this, right? And as it does that, it'll lead to the 4 hour flipping as well. So my break even point for this trade here, chat, would probably be around this level here. Oh, 1678.600 probably. That resistance to the left there. I believe we're activated here, chat. Got on buys here. Obviously stop loss is gonna be the current candle low or previous candle low. TP somewhere up here for 40 pips. So this is a trade we're in. I believe we got activated here. Yeah, I'm activated for sure. And break even is gonna be that amount of resistance to the left on a 1H. Probably gonna close partials there as well. I'm not sure how big that range is going up. I think it's gonna be around 10, 11, but that'll be the B point. All right. But yeah, buy stops have been activated here. So let's go ahead and add this to the spreadsheet. Yo, Wix, now let me know if it's pushing up here, because I'm gonna add this to the spreadsheet real quick.
Massive drawdown.
Come back. It's a stop loss. 18 or 804. Oh wait, this is the wrong spreadsheet. This is the wrong spreadsheet. November.
Let's go. Perfect.
Oh, there it is, chat. So chat, gonna move my stops to the break-even point here now. This is a risk-free trade. I want to close partials here, but I definitely cannot just yet. Yeah, give it a second here. I want to see a 10 first. But yeah, technically, if you had a chance to close 10, if close half there, congrats. That's where I wanted to close half at. But let's see, it's got to re-break the highs now, right, for us to close half. But that was the B point minimum. Because look, you're tapping this resistance here on a 1 hour time frame. If you're entering a 1 hour trade, right, and you got in on a 1 hour time frame, your break-even point would likely, preferably, be the next 1 hour resistance. Now, where do you have that resistance at? Right here. Why is it going to be here? Because this is the vantage point. You know for a fact that if you were to drive up here, break-even just said, if you were to drive up here, price would likely reject where? Probably around this level here to the left here, right? So that's where price kind of rejected that. But yeah, that was a push. That was what I was looking forward to, but couldn't close half in time, obviously. Obviously break even hit. But if you guys were able to, congrats. That's what I announced earlier. I said I was gonna close after, but obviously I couldn't really do it in time. But that's the trade. That's the trade idea, right? So obviously it played out to what we anticipated.
I got 10, but not with spread. With spread of like 8.
I think I saw like 11 there. No, maybe I saw 10 there. I didn't really see my broker. I saw on Owanda. Owanda I saw 11, 12. So usually when I see 11, 12 on Owanda, I usually see like 10 on like my broker. But yeah.
Comics 10 minutes.
Yeah, comics 10 minutes too. But break even chat for the day. So far, right? Because look,
so far.
if we're tapping that resistance there, you can still drive down. Don't get me wrong, you can definitely still drive down and break the lows here. So what I want to wait for now is probably this 30-minute close. I want to see if we can close respecting the support here. You see how we have support here on the 1 hour time frame at the 6.77 mark. If this 30-minute candle could close respecting that support, then you can take more buys later on at like 8:30. But until then, right, we're just in the range again. We made a high, made a low in the range. We don't know what's gonna happen now, so you want to just avoid and be patient. Charts closed already? Come on. What day is it? The 7th. That was gold. That was buys. That was a breakout. No, that was the onion actually. That was the onion. Entry was the current higher low off the 1 hour time frame. Risk was half. Secure 0. Break even trade. Starting a month off break even, not too bad. That is our 49th break even of the year. This channel over here got break even as well. 9. Oh wait, 9. 11. 11, 7, 2022. Gold, eyes, break even. Look at that risk management though. Woo! You would have been in trouble now, huh? This is why you should always follow your plan. Because if you get emotional and you're like, oh, I got 10 pips, but now I gotta hold, like I got 10 pips, I have to get 10 pips again. You would see this right now and you'll freak out. Right? Emotions never wins, man. Emotional and intuition trading never wins. That stuff doesn't work. It's all impulse. Impulse doesn't work because impulse is all emotions, and emotions changes every second, every minute. So good risk management there, right? Everything was logical about that trade there. The break even, the entry, everything was logical. There was a plan to everything we did there, and we just stuck to it. Nice trade. Thank you. Downhill. Downhill. I don't know about that. Listen, man. I'm just a 22-year waiting for a closure above the range, bruv. GJ bullshit. GJ didn't do much as well. GJ didn't flip yet. But I preferred gold in that case, just because gold closed above the range here. GJ didn't really do that for me, so I wasn't really interested in GJ. Or the 1 hour didn't. Like the 30-minute did, but then I realized the 1 hour didn't, because the 1 hour resistance is somewhere over here, right? Oh, I guess you can say it did as well. I was looking at this and this. I'm kind of concerned about this level here on GJ here. This resistance here to the left. Like this could be a closure below. But gold, it was a clear closure above, right? It was respecting, so I just prefer gold in that situation. So that's why we took gold. Trades taken chat. Man. You know, in those situations where like you plan to close partials but you couldn't, it's just one of those. You can't really control that though, right? It just happened too quick. Mazda's, yep, 60K off one trade. Yeah, that was last week. That was on I believe that was right here. That was the 3rd, November 3rd at London, I believe. So we called it out too. All right, called it out, we took it. Obviously all here, as you can see. Wait, Wixon just left? No goodbyes? Wait, how did Wixon shoot when he had to drive every day? How much is your commission? 0 commission on gold. $7 per lot on Forex currencies. But on metals, on blueberry markets, there's no commissions. Regulated, no commissions on gold. Small spreads. I mean, what more can I ask for? He's left for 30 minutes at a time. Damn, bro. I left you guys just like hanging like that. I can't leave you guys for more than 5 minutes on stream because the 30 minute have no talk would not concern you. No, because I was looking at 1 hour. It was a 1 hour trade. It wasn't a 30 minute trade. It was a 1 hour trade, right? It was the higher time frame always takes over. In this case, the 1 hour, I knew that I had a range to go up at least until the 6 and 7 8 mark. So yeah. Don't look owns blueberry. Yeah, right. If I own blueberry, yeah. You see profits every day, right? If I own blueberry, then I can just add. I can add profits every day. But no, it's a regular broker. I literally can't. Here's how I flipped my account 100% in about 30 days. I caught this runner during London. I caught that runner during Asian. New York session though. Oh, we took this last year. Can I send Blueberry link? Link in the description. Blueberry is good. If you can't use it if you're not from if you're from the States, you can't use it. I know a lot of my audience is from the States, so unfortunately you can't use them. You can use traders with the main dub. Good broker. I used them as well before I used Blueberry. I mean, nothing wrong with them really. Perfect broker, good customer service. Try it out. Crypto is country, but if you could use Blueberry though, I would suggest Blueberry because Blueberry is just, I mean, there's nothing you're losing really, right? Oh, use VPN. You need to send your information and where you're from, right? You need to send them your location. You need to share them on Find My Friends. Now you gotta send them your I think your passport, and it shows where you're from, right? It shows the country you're from. So where the fuck you been? I've been on vacation. Yeah, no, I've been on vacation, but we're back here, and I got a lot of work to do. I gotta release this website for you guys before Christmas, because it was initially for Christmas, which we announced like 3 months ago, but we might gotta change that to before Christmas. But yeah, it was this. Marcos. Yeah, I saw Marcos in New York, guys. Why did Marcos delayed 1 hour? It's daylight savings in North America. Yo, we're listening to a World Cup song. Let's fire it. World Cup. What last time would you use for a 1K account, bro? I would say to use like a 1 or 2% risk per trade, because every trade is different, right? Record. What's the record, chat? Does Marcus still trade? You're retired. Nah, I think he still trades, yeah. He just does other stuff right now too. I don't think chat knows who Marcos is though, to be honest. Half the chat forgot. 35 loss, 49 break evens. And then this right here was year oh no, wrong spreadsheet. Year was 112, 35, 49. November first trade, obviously, so 1 break even. Just like last month, started a month of break even. Damn. Whoever did not move that to break even on gold, sheesh. Comex open here. Just push price down here. Didn't hit the lows just yet, but I mean, I'll be sweating if I were you. Because it ain't looking too shabby. No stop loss gang. What do you think about selling? Oh, no, the lows are about to be broken. Yep. Damn, so we manage risk perfectly there, on point, like chef's kiss. What do you think about celery? At this point, GJ, I think I'd rather wait for the 4H to close here, because sells will be bad. The 4H closes bearish here in about 20 minutes here, right? Damn, okay, that's how you feel? That's crazy. Yo. Yeah, I seen that meme.
No, we walk around the world.
This is it.
Stepping out, giving a damn by where our feet land at. Yeah. Get your ass mushed, smushed.
21, can you do something?
Nah, that's not it. This is it.
For me, then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me?
Okay.
21, do your thing. 21, do your thing. Do your thing. 21 for me, then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops What's next for me? 21. Do your thing. 21. Do your thing. Do your thing. 21 for me. Then 21. Can you do something for me? Can you talk?
Yo. So true, bro. Look at gold. I'm looking at it. Not much I can do here until what did I say, chat? 8:30. I said 8:30 because I knew 8:20 would do something funky, right? And it did do something funky. So now we gotta wait for 8:30 here. 8:30 here is in about 7 minutes here. Maybe you can get sells for range 2 breakouts. This is a range 2 breakout below here. This is a range 1 here. Range 1, right? And then this is a range 2 breakout below here. So let's see what I do here in 10 minutes. Can't play music on YouTube, not get banned. I mean, I got a contract from Drake, so we can play Drake music only. Yeah, Drake was low-key flirting, bro. 21, can you do something for me? Did you create resistance off the fits? No. If you go back to the 640 breakdown this morning, I do a breakdown every morning. You will find out why I had a support at 16.77. It wasn't the 5. It was the 1 hour 30 minute time frame. What up, Reza? What's going on, bro? Yeah, chat, you don't want to be in this range here, guys, right? You don't want to be in this range here. Like, this range, you want to just avoid here, right? You want to avoid that range, just like it was in the morning. The reason why I took the buys was because it closed above. You want to avoid this range here. You want to wait for a breakout outside of the range, right? Because the more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out in this range. You don't want to fuck around. Because the more you're going to find out. Yo, this is kind of cool how Instagram added this to the little feeder thing. Look at these videos. Holy shit. 20K, 30K, 40K, 40K, 50K, 50K. 300K. 300K on this video. Wow. Consistent. I got post one today too, ASAP. I was in a chess tournament all day and now got back to home. Oh, how'd you do in the chess tournament, man? Did you win some money? was it like a prize pool one? Well, change. Yeah, I'm a real vet. Be faker this weekend. I'm not gonna lie, chat. What are you guys talking about? A fight? Did you guys play Modern Warfare 2 yet, though? Is the real question. I got it last night. I don't know what I want to do with Modern Warfare 2 this year. I had the option to go back to my controller, but I tried controller and I forgot how to use controller really. But Yeah, no, I'm contemplating between going on controller or going back to going with mouse and keyboard for this year. I used to be controller, and then I left for mouse and keyboard, and now I want to go back to controller. But I don't know. Is the game even fun? I played like 2 games last night. It was a little sweaty, but yeah, controller is very OP for sure. That's why I want to go controller, because it has aim assist, and it's very OP this year. But mouse and keyboard is just, I'm used to mouse and keyboard because I've been playing that the past year and a half. So how much you lose when you need trading? Too much money. Too much. Too much, man. Too much. It's like, hey, you know what's crazy, chat? I lost around this much in my first year of trading, and to make that back within 1 trade now, one trade, that says a lot. So it's not about how much you lose, it's about your journey. Because the more you lose doesn't mean anything, right? You can blow 20-30 counts like I did, that doesn't mean shit. It's the process, it's the journey, it's what you've learned after blowing those accounts that matters the most, right? Taking those losses and putting that into positive to get better. Because doesn't, like, I think I mean, doesn't matter how much you lose, eventually you'll make it back. And it might be 1 trade one day, it might take a month one day, it might take a day one day, it might take 1 trade one day to make back your losses, right? So just keep pushing at it, man. But you gotta start somewhere. I know not everyone has a lot of capital, but you don't need capital to be a good trader. That's what Instagram tries to tell you. But like 21 said, right? On that bullshit. What are previous breakdowns? The previous breakdowns, man. Previous breakdowns. The most recent breakdown, bruh. How long did it to recover back from that amount? 2020 breakout year, 2021 improved, 2022 improved. So I made it back within 2021, 2020, 2019, 2020. I think end of 2019, 2020. Self-learning and course. No, I took 2 courses. I took Q Bank's course and I took Steve Morrow's course. But obviously, like, you want to eventually find your own, right? Your own way of trading. You want to, because like, I think what the best thing to do is I don't want to say take as many courses as you can, but try to learn from multiple people and then putting it together to make your own. That's the best way to learn nowadays. There's plenty of free streams out there. So go on everyone's stream if you use streamer hoppers, right? Or stay on one stream, honestly, but yeah, go on different streams, see what you like, see what you don't like, and make your own. Just like sample sizing.
From nothing, but I'm doing something, and you cannot catch my drive. As fast as you try to go, you will never catch.
I don't know why. Who's talking right now? Because it sounds like that guy was just messaging me in the chat. The Joker. This guy was just talking about having no car. That guy talks about having no car as well. I come from nothing. What?
And you try to flex next to me on the red light with your ugly whatever flexing most expensive car V12. I drive a 4-cylinder. I'm come from nothing, but I'm doing something, and you cannot catch my drive. As fast as you try to go, you will never catch me, man. There is only one way, and this way I'm driving, nobody can do it. I'm Birdman. That's why I am. In Paris.
GG sells? Wow, the 30-minute close bearish on gold here, but the 1 hour is still bullish. So what we gotta do now is wait for the 4H to close here in about 26 minutes here. And then as for GJ, I want to wait for the 4H to close as well, because I want to see if this 4 can close bearish here. If we can close bearish here, strong bearish, rejecting this resistance, you can definitely take sells coming back down at 9 a.m. but that won't be till 9 a.m. right? Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Favorite restaurant in Toronto? Yo, WFX, thank you. 4 months.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness.
Yo.
She used to dance, but she want a loan and start up a business.
Yo, don't you guys have 11 months very soon coming up? In about 3 days, right? 11 months? Yeah, man. What do you think about SRC? I think that I announced Christmas a little before that, but gonna have to give her our name now. Are courses necessary? No, not really. Courses are good for guidance, but the rest is on you still, right? There's also free streams though. Well, I'm going to sample size today. What should I note for specifically? That's your mistake right there. You're asking me what you should sample size. I don't know. I don't know. Like, what do you lack? I don't know what you lack, right? You have to know what you're lacking as a trader. I cannot tell you what you're lacking because that's your strategy. That's your way of trading. I don't know how you trade, right? So first you have to figure out what you're doing that's affecting your trades, where your losses come from, and then sample size. You can't just sample size without a motive. You need a motive before you sample size, right? That was sound good, but no, like, I don't know what you lack, right? So you have to figure it out for yourself. I can tell you to sample size one thing, but that something could be what you're already doing well on, right? If I tell you to sample size the 4-hour closures, maybe you're already good at the 4-hour closures. Yeah, I don't know. Like, what does your strategy lack, right? But feel free to use a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet right here is to sample size your ideas here, because this is a free spreadsheet that we made for you guys. Is your Discord free? It's free. One more time. Into the celery on gold? What celery? We took the 1 hour earlier. That's about it. Sorry, best food in the 6. I don't know. I mess with a lot of restaurants, but one restaurant I've been eating at a lot recently is there's a restaurant called Goo. This restaurant, check it out. I've been eating here a lot. It's Japanese too, so. One more time. Where's Wix9 at? This guy left the stream? I tried Jollibee. Yeah, I don't really like Jollibee. Not like that at all. Tried it twice too. Don't like it. Turn on news. What's probably there? Florida driver. Name of Wix9. Driving reckless has seen driving recklessly on the streets of Miami. We've heard some news that he crashed into the local CVS. Back to you, Darren. Who the fuck is Darren? Have you tried any food? Yeah, I have. I like butter chicken. Butter chicken. I'm pretty sure Jet Bentley talks about that place. Oh, he does? I didn't see. I watched Jet Bentley, but I never heard him talk about that place ever. I love that spot. I go there a lot.
I'm in the Masoni room at the BB. The boat was rocking too much on some Aaliyah shit. For real. We going from the
I can't pronounce that. No, I haven't. I haven't tried that. There's a lot of foods I haven't tried it. Grand business at church. All right, man. Do your thing, cuz. Do your thing. Can you explain why why did market open gap 1 hour? Because daylight savings, my guy. Daylight savings, my guy. You go on the little forexfactory.com. You go on Sunday, or doesn't it show? Hold on. Where is daylight savings at? Where I look stupid. Right here. November 6th. It shows daylight savings time shift. So what does that mean, Don? Well, you click on the folder here, just like any other news folder, and it shows you a description. You read that description, and it's gonna show you what happened. Happens twice a year. The US exit DST, which means daylight saving times, and clocks are moved backwards by 1 hour. So what that means is if it is Sunday night and the clock hits 2 a.m. on this day, right? Why did I say 2 a.m.? Because look, it says 2 a.m. When it hits 2 a.m., what happens? The clocks get moved backwards by 1 hour. So the clock goes from here to here, right? So hold on. This is the current clock. When you have daylight savings, right? When you have daylight savings, like read it, like daylight savings, you're saving light. You move back 1 hour. So when you move back 1 hour, you cancel out this 2, you drop the 2, and you put a 1. So it goes from 2 a.m. to 1 a.m. and it stays like that. How long does it stay like that for? Well, my guy, it stays like that until March 12, 2023. So what happens on March 12, 2023, you may ask? You click on March 12, 2023, and it shows. Wait, where's March 12, 2023? It's not loading up. It's gotta load up real quick. March 12, 2023. Oh, unfortunately, you're lucky. It doesn't show March 12, 2023. It doesn't show March 12, 2023 just yet for next year. But March 12, 2023, we go back. Right? We go back. So that is why there was a gap by 1 hour. Capiche? You don't think they'll change time anymore? Yeah, I don't think so too, because I think it's crazy. I think the Earth is rotating a bit faster than usual now, right? So I think over time it's gonna catch up. Right? Is that how that's what's happening right now? Yeah, because I think the Earth's rotating a bit too fast now. I think a couple seconds or a second or something right now, a millisecond. I don't know what it is, but it might not do daylight savings anymore. So it's gonna get dark very early. Dawn for the sand sky. Dawn, 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 dawn. Dawn never ate candy yams, fried chicken, and collard greens? What? Ate that last week, bro. It was dark at 5:30 yesterday. Yeah. Yo, can you guys believe that it's gonna be it's 10 degrees right now in the middle of November? It was 20 degrees like 2 days ago, and it hasn't snowed yet, and it's November in Canada. And then next year or next month is basically almost Christmas. So that's crazy. I can't explain that, Detroit nerd. I can't. Yeah, global warming, crazy. How's it gonna be 20 degrees today, and then tomorrow's gonna be 3 degrees, and the day after 14. It's just, it's like a little market manipulation spikes. Yeah, even New York, it was so warm.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business.
What? Can you do some for me? Can you touch the banks for me? What's yeah, man, of course. I could.
Zip weed, hit the club, pay for about 10 niggas to get in. We crunk, lit, in.
Can you talk to the bank for me?
No, we walk around the world.
How's the chopped cheese in New York? It was delicious. Chopped cheese ain't overrated, man.
Get your ass mushed, smushed. Yeah, 21. The biggest. Put a nigga in the chicken wing. Pussy.
21. Can you do something for me? 21. Can you hit a little rich flex for me?
Did you go to Octi? Oculus? I went there last day, yeah. Wix9, can you do some for me? Do your thing, 21. Do your thing, 21. Wix9, can you do some for me?
That's a negative.
Yo, Wix9, you know what you should watch, Wix9? You should watch Yodi Gang. What's his name again? I forgot his name, but you should watch this guy. What was the video again though? It was Yo, Wixon, this guy's living your life.
That me?
Yo, bro, that's all he does. Where's the one I watched though? Is it Laos? Laos? Oh yeah.
Like at Lowe's, I can't see how that's.
And look, back with another banger. I am the original Fulcrum.
Yeah, someone said it looks like me.
Fulcrum, come in.
This guy looks like me.
Yeah. I hope everyone's having a good day. Fulcrum, come in. Yeah. Yodi gang, you feel me? Blinker hit number one. Blinker hit number one. Shall we? Cheers, Yodi gang.
Shall we? Cheers, Yodi gang. He just goes to like places and just gets like faded in a hole.
Yeah, but I do that when I'm shopping. I don't just go there to sit down just to do that. Like I'll go there shopping.
Shit, Yodi gang, blinker number one down.
That's from just doing this, bro.
I hope everyone's having a good day. You feel me? 5,000 subscribers on the way. I'm somewhere out in Yodi land, man. You feel me? I gotta take it easy because I gotta attempt the double blinker still.
I think on Twitch he has like 422k.
Damn.
Fulcrum, come in. Yeah. Yodi gang, you feel me? Let's keep it pushing, Yodi gang. I gotta take a double blinker hit. But yeah, Yodi gang, I hope everyone's having. Man, yeah. I found him. You wanna see him? Cheers, Yodi gang.
Yo.
Hey.
Yo, that's a fat hit, man. Turn 2 ball.
Yodi gang, you feel me? I appreciate you, gang. I appreciate you, man. Wow, that motherfucker didn't even give a shit.
Yeah, that's all he does on YouTube, bro. Every video is like him going to some spot and just getting high. Or he actually does a live stream actually. Like, yo, tier 2 Paul, thank you, bruv. Why didn't the music play?
Yoda gang.
Wix not gang. Wix is not impressed. Yo, the internet's crazy nowadays, Wix.
This shit was there's no value, there's no action, there's no interest. He's just like, what the fuck? No.
Yeah, there's no value. But people find that entertaining.
But there was no, I didn't even see entertainment value. Like it wasn't funny. It wasn't like holy shit. He didn't do anything crazy.
I don't know what popped him off, but I think it's just him being chill. I don't know. Like it's just the easiest shit to do in the world, and he just popped off with it. Nah, he's popping off right now. I think he's like he came on a couple streams with like Aiden Ross and like a bunch of other big guys.
That's crazy.
We're just fucking getting high. See, people say nonsense, but there's always an audience for everything. Cringe or not money talks. That is true. That is true. That's the thing though.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business.
Why was that so delayed? That was like an hour delay, chat.
Your fucking thing got high off Yoda gang.
You know. The name of the music, please? Well, if you look at that bottom right of my screen, it shows the song that's playing. So, oh. It shows, chat. You guys just open your eyes up, you know? Calling it a day here? Yo, we have 7 minutes left. You might as well wait for the 4-hour closure here.
Oof.
These questions, bruv. You know, someone earlier asked me about daylight savings Wixnan. I'm like, well, I give him a full breakdown on it.
I saw.
We sure on gold or what? I'm confused. Why are you confused? There's nothing I'm on right now. There's no buys. There's no sells. I just said I'm waiting for FOREX to close. I'm waiting for FOREX to close here in about 6 minutes here to analyze again my charts. There's nothing we can do right now, so we shouldn't be confused. There's nothing to take right now, bruv. There's nothing to take right now. You gotta just sit here and relax. Get your hands, put it on your ass, and sit on them. And watch the charts for the next 6 minutes. Because this 4-hour closure is very key. Yes, it also says buys above your closures. There's no sells until where? Below 16.67. Or I'm gonna move it up to 6.73. But are we below those levels yet? No. So we gotta sit our ass down and just relax. Just relax. Yodi gang. Relax. Yo, Wixon. Yo, can you compete with his double blinkers though?
Nah.
Yo, you know there's an adapter, bro? There's an adapter for 2 at once? That's fucked up. Just take 2 pens at once. There's an adapter for it. I'm gonna show you actually.
Why?
Bro, I don't know why. Like,
why?
come here. This is him. My God, it kind of looks like me from the side. But like, where is it? There's like a double blink. I'm like, yo, what is this? What world are we living in right now? I find it. Where is it? He was holding it. Yeah, I don't know where it is, but it was crazy. Some shit that I haven't seen in my life. It was literally like just there was 1, and then there was 2, and there's just an adapter to put 2 together, and you smoke it from there. I'm like, what the fuck? RP to your lungs. I'm looking at a 1-hour chart. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart, and the 1-hour chart, and the weekly chart, and the monthly chart, and the daily, and the 30, and the 15. I'm looking at every time frame. You just don't see it from my end, but I'm looking at every time frame. I got each eyeball represents 1 time frame. If only you can see what I can see, man. How much capital when you started trading, Donvo? 300 USD. Are you gonna watch Black Panther, Don? Yes, I am. You know, I saw a meme on Twitter. Some guy's like, never mind, I'm not gonna say it. Twitter is funny, man. Yo, what happened to Kyrie Irving? Never mind. That's another subject that we go on to touch on as well. Yo, a lot of shit happened last week when I was gone for some reason. I feel like I missed, like, so much stuff happened when I was gone. I come back, I'm like, wow, what happened? Yeah. I've heard that, Robert.
I'm gonna go grab this Powerball. Yo, chat. Grab your Powerballs.
What are Powerballs?
The largest jackpot in history.
Oh, Powerballs.
Powerball. Not Powerballs. But grab your Powerball and go grab a Powerball.
I'm grabbing my Powerballs right now, bro. What next?
That's some shit you doing. Don't tell nobody.
How much is a Powerball? Well, it depends. It really depends.
$3,
but
you could win 1.9
but me?
billion.
Infinity, man. Worth infinite amounts.
1.9 billion. Be moving the markets on stream.
You moving the markets with your Powerballs?
My Powerballs be moving all the markets.
They don't call it a Wick special for no reason. Like, what are these names? The celery, Wick special, the onion. You guys see the picture now?
Hey, we got a closure above here. That's the Powerballs.
300 capital and grow that account? No. 300 capital blown 20 times. 300 capital blown. $1,000 account blown. That was just the first deposit. You asked him the first deposit. That was the first deposit. Come on, man. Don't make me curse in Vietnamese now, man. All right. Don't make me start calling you by your first name now, cause you're in real trouble. Have you blown an account? Yes, I blew 20 accounts, like I just said. 30 accounts.
You just said 300 was blown. He didn't grow 300.
Bruv. The account's blown some weak numbers.
Those are rookie numbers.
I'm blowing accounts to this day. I blew it for 300. All right, bro. All right, anyways, you have the 4-hour closure here, guys. You have the 4-hour closure here on both pairs right now. So as you can see, GJ 4-hour candle closed like doji, weak bearish, which way, yeah, respecting for sure, yeah, respecting the zone here. Again, it's very tough right now. I would prefer if it would have closed stronger bearish, you know, something like this would be preferred, but it closes doji and it closed right resistance, so there's no range to go up even. So it's just like, I want to just chalk GJ really. Gold on a 4H close bearish, but again, still in the range from 1677 to 1681 here. So I would prefer if you break out above 1681 at this point. We took our buys earlier. Obviously, price hit break even after, came back down, made a low, came back up, closed bullish. So buys for me now will probably be above here. But I think that's it for me. I don't think I'm taking that position today. That's it. Quarter 4 again. Trying to keep it a little slow, you know, trying to keep it very simple. Trying to hop off at 9 latest, because you don't want to be on during quarter 4 for longer than 3 hours usually, because it gets very slow. But yeah, chat, I think that's it for me, really. I'm gonna do a Wordle though, and we're gonna hop off. Yo, peace. Okay, yo, chat, yeah, we're gonna do a Wordle probably and hop off. You done, Wix? Right, you're done? Pretty sure you're done,
Yeah,
right?
we could do two Wordles. We didn't do a single Wordle last week.
Doing on stream? What do you mean? On the Friday one?
Oh, that's the only one we did.
That was crazy.
That was crazy. That was the only one we did.
Yeah, chat, if you guys are dipping off right now, I appreciate you being here today. Welcome back. But if you guys are dipping before Wordle, I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. All right, I love you guys. Thank you for showing love. Also, leave a like before you guys exit the stream, please. I appreciate that a lot, man. A lot. the word?
We need an I, something with an I. I-E-E-I. Yeah. Wait. There you go.
Way up. I feel blessed.
Legit. Oh, no T. Never mind.
Ligma. We can do this. We can do this. I can easily do this. I can easily do this. Easy. We know where the E is. This is easy now. I and a G. It can end with a G or can start with a G. A good word we begin.
I'm not even impressed at this point. I'm like, I didn't expect anything else. Massive streak.
Easy claps. Too easy, man. Anywho, I think.
Yeah, Chad, join us tonight. Asian session live stream, 8 p.m. Eastern here on YouTube. So be there.
Yes. Asian session tonight with Wix9. Chat, I appreciate you being here today for a new session. Welcome back to the live streams, man. It's been a great day, great return, and we're locked in for the rest of the year. I don't know what to call it, but Control FX website beta's version coming out for you guys before the year ends. Alrighty, peace out, guys. Love you guys. Thank you for showing love as always.
Later.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hey. Hopping in, bitch, and I start the V. Snakes in the grass, so they harder to see. My brother would give up his life to the O. He told me he'd go be a martyr for me. Said that she ready to corner the 6. I hit up Pauline to charter the P. Ain't really leave, but I'm back. I'm back.
Drake said, hopping his vision and started the V. Snakes in the grass, so they're harder to see. My brother would give up his life to the O. What does VO spell, chat?
I'm back. I'm riding around in Atlanta with Sad, cause that nigga been going harder than me. Nothing to change, I'm just harder to please. Ferrari is making an SUV. We ain't got a choice, we ordering these. Shout out Noel for recording the V's. He know where this shit about to go, cause nobody touching the flow. They say you alone at the top, but it's gotta be lonely below. You boys getting ready to diss, but don't even mention the O, and don't even mention the foe. Unless you boys trying to go broke.
Whoa, I got more stripes than Adidas.
Yeah, I got the stripes, but fuck Adidas, nigga.
I don't chase bitches, I leave them.
Hoes screaming like I'm Justin Bieber, nigga.
I don't get mad, I get even.
Hit you niggas like a buzzer beater, nigga.
I don't get mad, I get even.
Hit you niggas, then you gone.
Whoa, all that foundation she wearing, she thinks she QC. Telling all my sneaky links you with me. You must be Coach K, cause you ain't P. I'm on the jet like my last name Lee. 2 sticks in my hand like I'm playing a Wii. G-Block babies will spank you for free. We rough niggas up, now they begging for peace.
G-Block babies.
Stepping on shit out and fresh in my toe. Born in October, I'm so OBO. Halloween coming, he wanna dress up, but he don't need no costume, I'm turning them ghosts. She caught me mucus, I stay in her throat. Stick hit that boy, got his ass hitting notes. My niggas wear masks.
So you know where this shit about to go, cause nobody touching the flow. They say you alone at the top, but it's gotta be lonely below. You boys getting ready to diss, but don't even mention the O, and don't even mention the foe. Unless you boys tryna go broke. Oh damn, man, you niggas is the worst. Savage, snatch you out your crib, then drop you in a hearse. Baby, please, when we nervous, stop reaching in your purse. Nigga went and bought a house when he coulda bought a verse. Niggas dumb as fuck. Imagine if I did that stupid shit when I was coming up. My crib feel like a hedge fund. I be in here just thumbing up. know I'm SN1 till I'm done fucking London up. Niggas make me nauseous, I had enough of broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys, yeah. I can't talk to broke boys, I can't talk to broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys, yeah. I can't talk to broke boys, I can't talk to broke boys. All you niggas make me sick, all you niggas rapping about the bricks and the licks. Then I hear in real life you living with your bitch. I can't talk to broke boys, I can't talk to broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys. I don't want no convo, I don't got no time for niggas posting mansion, living in a condo. Y'all be make believing, I cannot relate to ya. I can't talk to broke boys, I can't talk to broke boys. I cannot believe y'all was dissing on an old boy. I can't even think of how you came up with that flow, boy. Please talk to someone else, cause I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to broke boys. I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to broke boy. No, I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to. That nigga's crazy. I've been out late night creeping, shot slide on bitches. Posted up with the militia. Niggas ain't switching. Mine on missions. Mine on pussy and millions. Mine on pussy and millions. I'm tryna call a sex symbol to eat my kids up. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems, ayy. Braid it up in my Suizo. Hit them, then I get amnesia. Life ain't getting any easier. Flacosita. I know that I'm not in love. She don't love me either. It's just hard to find a love. That she keep on getting deeper. Who said it's cheaper to keep her? I'd rather release her body and give it away like a feature. You know the procedure. Niggas is pretty in the guy, so we stay with the sweeper. I'm rapping 4L in my 20s, so treacherous. Introduce y'all to the leader.
Come to me with all the smoke. I like the money for sure, but I love the hustle the most. She pretty, she show out for toes. And my patties that came with a pole. Know this money bring envy and jealousy. I'm like, fuck it, I want me some more. Hit it from the back, she bent up. Playing with the money, get spent up. Chains on my neck, no Kenta. You the type of girl I pay rent for. Suck it in the car, that's what the tent for. Bought me a plane, not a Sprinter. $250,000 on a dental. She say I'm a stepper, but gentle.
I've been out late night creeping, shot slide on bitches. Posted up with the militia. Niggas ain't switching. Mine on missions. Mine on pussy and millions. Mine on pussy and millions.
Wake up, filthy.
I'm tryna call a sex symbol to eat my kids up. They say more money, more problems. We ain't even out of church, you finna take sand. Riding around with F and then we like to hold hands. Both with two sip, died, he ain't need a bed. Then I did the pint of tech in a cold red. If I tell it to pull her, she gon' moped it. My doggy don't smoke on unless it's unleaded. I don't back and forth over no that just gon' did it. See me when you see me, if it's smoke, doggy, unleash it. Did Moroccan bitch, it's my fave, I'ma gon' beat it. Looking in the mirror, kiss my face, I'm too conceited. Send a girl home, call another dog, I'm too slime. She ain't wanna eat it on the first day, it's her round. Out with drugs poppin' for the first time. They kicked in like a two-time world champ. Booted up, they up and downs like a skate ramp. She vapid in my room, that lit up like a glow lamp. Who won't smoke? Okay, cool, let's stay whole camp. Beat Papa, we the ones that get your shirt down. Try to take spot and that's too cramped. Up 8 a.m., geeking hard, I'm a real vamp. D got me up, dog, I'm 2M. Made this lit me like a mail stamp. Strapped up, I'ma die lit. Too slime, posted at the crib in a snake pit. Every time, tell you how I feel, I don't fake. Okay, everybody got a stick, we don't run fake. Every time, tell you how I feel, I don't fake. I've been blowing through the money like it growing trees. I've been on a French, c'est la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This lie by getting shots, but she still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon. Crows shoot from anywhere, like you Ray Allen. Crody turn me up. Crody turn me up. Crody turn me up. Got a fur on a Tampa, got me burning up. Shorty said she graduated, she ain't learning enough. Play the album track 1, K, I heard enough. Girl to drive it downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new, you wanna dirty up. Touchdown in NY, tear the Mercer up. Hey, Bo Taker shades with the great sense. Introduce me to it, yeah, it makes sense. Gotta put her on the team, got a great bench. Linking with the ops, I did that for J Prince. I did it for the Maltese. Feel like 17, 2 perks for all guys. And I never been the one to go apologize. Me, I'd rather hit him up one more time. Hey, known a girl for 6 months, dinner up at my place. But I got these diamonds on my neck, so it's a blind date. All my on the roads, raising up the crime rate. Your name not ringing out here, it's on vibrate. And she took a skull, now shorty gotta hydrate. And he did some dirt, now my Crody gotta migrate. Probably won't see him for some years. When I do though, turn me up. Crody turn me up. Crody turn me up. Hey, Crody turn me. Hey, yeah, what? Crody turn me. What?
21. In a drop top Benz like it's 03. 21. Had the shooters aimed down from the nosebleeds. 21. Gotta get this passport, keep my nose clean. Try to burn me up. Keep a mantle tuck. Yeah, I never slip. Never. SF90 rims red like a poker chip. Rich as hell, still hood in the Strokersville. Pink slip in the glove for the ownership. 21. Limping with the 30 on like a bro hip. 21. Red flag giving blood on some donuts. Oh, all the ops get a bullet on some Oprah. Went from Angel Town Estates to a bigger state. Probably would've had a zombie on me if I would've stayed. Still've caught a case if I would've stayed. I've been thugging all my life, that's just how I played. Still posted in the A when feel me. Still gotta see the Gunners win Premier League. Still gotta keep a gun, it's always near me. And I'm down to hit them up.
One more time, hit my line, you know that it was ready. Oh yeah, all night, don't do romancing. One more time, you gotta run the play.
One more time. The dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah. One more time.
Yo, I forgot to mention RP Quavo. Not Quavo, RP Takeoff, bro. That's crazy. I knew I was missing something. I'm like, yo, I skipped thinking, like, yo, I missed so much this week. And I'm like, what is it? Oh, it's the Takeoff there. Yeah, RP Takeoff, bro.
One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, don't stop the dancing. One more time. You know I'm just feeling celebration tonight. Celebrate. Don't wait too late. No, we don't stop. You can't stop. We're gonna celebrate. One more time. One more time. One more time. A celebration. You know we're gonna do it right tonight. night. Hey, just feeling. Music's got me feeling the need. Yeah. Come on. Alright, we're gonna celebrate one more time. Celebrate and dance so free. Music's got me feeling so free. Celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Straight out the jungle. This real rap, no mumble. My skin black like mamba. Got stash spots in Honda. Straight out the jungle. Bricks in the brick house. Used to hit listen, go to my house. Mama, straight out the jungle. Young nigga don't know nothing now. Young nigga know too much now. Bow, 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 that'll slow him down. We pick up the hondos, then drop them off to Huncho. I came from the bando. Here go the wild.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Straight out the jungle. This real rap, no mumble. My skin black like mamba. Got stash spots in Honda. Straight out the jungle. Magnifico.
Hey, cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Pouring up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving out the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, take a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him off and then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop it, biting down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cabin like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got the.
You the one that's tryna keep your business low key, huh? You the one that's having your main nigga can't get no sleep, huh? You the one who walk around on fleek, huh? You the one that started from the bottom, but you reached your peak, huh? You taught her how to swallow with no teeth, huh? Make them dollars out the street, huh? Baddest bitch you ever seen, huh? You the one who split the guap with your team, huh? You the one who drank a lot of codeine, huh? Hey, I like this shit. This shit take me back to the 99, 2000.
Hey, I got shorties out tryna find me that look. Slipping through the cracks cause I'm slimy, I slip. Chain wetter than a river, you could cry me. Quick to Timberlake a bitch, now she despise me, I swear. I just let the money energize me. Nigga, you was in your 20s and the 90s, yeah. I just ordered Phantoms off the website. They ask how I want the shit, I say surprise me. Hey, yeah. Look, she wanna hang when that album drop, it's timely. Hey, got a present for my oppas, word of Smiley. I know a man got a mover from beside me, I swear. Hey.
She got ice in all veins. She won't change, worrying about the wrong thing. If the paparazzi catch her, she'll be famous. Got to move low key with the gangsters. Do what you do, girl, flex with your gang. Let's call the boys, Lambos gon' swing. Who that making noise? Gang. Got a new crib with a shooting range, just a professional aim. You was up, now you fell off. Then you pull up all cap, better knock it off. I might get caught with my side bitch, cause I put my main bitch in the cockpit. Bad bitches, and they lit. I just told them, flip the switch. Gang round with the shit. I just told them, flip the switch. Switch
switch it. You the one that's trying to keep your business low key, huh? You the one that's having your main nigga can't get no sleep, huh? You the one who walk around on fleek, huh? You the one that started from the bottom, but you reached your peak, huh? You taught her how to swallow with no teeth, huh? Make them dollars out the street, huh? Baddest bitch you ever seen, huh? You the one who split the guap with your team, huh? You the one who drank a lot of codeine, huh?
Thank you.